Hello again, everybody. We have another job, and the job description for this is construction, maintenance, and inspection of air cooling equipment. And the job location will be in Machida in Tokyo. There is also in Kawasaki City in Kanagawa, and in Narashino City in Chiba. So we need 3 people for this job. The working area will be again in Machida in Tokyo, Kanagawa, and in Chiba. So the working hours starts from 8:30 to 1700, and the salary is from 220,000 yen, and there will be a bonus also for this job. So if you are willing to apply for this job, again, the job description is construction, maintenance, and inspection of air cooling equipment, and we need 3 people for this job. And by the way, this is a full-time employment. So this is scheduled for interview on January 26 at our main office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So if you are willing to apply for this job, you can also request for online interview if you are far from our office. You just call our office number at 036-206-8058. For English, you can look for my name, Bing. Thank you.